It's ready for Christmas break. Yay! No more school for a few weeks. What do you think about that? Me too. Oh, no. Gracious. You're ready too?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Uh-oh. Ah! Cullen was up really late last night doing some Christmas work, if you know what I mean. So we are trying to be ahead this year because we want to make sure we get our sleep right before Christmas. So he was up doing that. So this morning, there he goes. He slept in a little bit. The kids had a really short day of school, and I did my last run to get some gifts. Can't tell you what they are yet, but you will see soon. But the kids came home from school with all of their fun Christmas stuff, and they are hyped and ready to party for Christmas. I feel almost confident everybody's out of school yet. If you're not out of school yet, let us know in the comments below, and I hope you get out soon. But I wanted to show y'all a couple of Brooks's little ornaments that he got are made at school because they're so cute. So cute. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
I will be there for the good times. I will be there for the bad.
I will be there through the good times, and I will be there through the bad. When you feel like you're all by yourself, just know I'll always have your back. You will never have to wonder, 'cause I will be there till the end. 'Cause you're my best friend.
Isn't it cute, little Brooks Rudolph? Hang on, buddy, look, is that you?
Brooks, you got something on your nose.
And pajama day was today at school for Brooks, in case you can't tell. But let's see what this says. Brooks 2017, and I bet he painted that little ornament.
Put that on his tree
So
upstairs.
cute. Well, I want it on our tree. I want to look at it on our tree. Okay. This, I think he must have made at school. It's a little manger.
Oh, cool.
So cute. Y'all have been so sweet lately. It's been so cute.
Age where it's just like they finally get each other. I think like they're not. They still like get on each other's nerves, but I think they just like they know like.
Good boy.
Climb back up there. Brooks has also made a turning point. I almost like don't even want to say it, but it's like all of a sudden I posted this in my little, if you didn't see my Instagram of his 17 months. Yesterday he turned 17 months, and like this week he's just been a totally different kid. Like he's seemed happier, he can communicate, he can get to where he wants to be. Like at the park yesterday they were able to just run around and play, and it's just crazy to see.
It's
like
just one of those things like until you have kids you don't understand. Like watching them play together, I'm just like, oh my god, I can't explain it. Like, it's so
It's
weird.
very
I try to
cool.
like put myself in their shoes, like when I was growing up with siblings. And I'm like, dang, they need more for siblings. And then
I will say it's the first time that I've thought like, okay, your life doesn't stay incredibly crazy forever, except it does. You okay, bud? Oh goodness. I will say it's the first time I've been like, maybe we do want another kid, but not right now. So, okay, let's see what else Brooks got. Oh look, that's cute too.
so cute.
Oh, and some little treats. Look at that. So nice.
Mike, can I eat one of them?
Those are Brooks's.
2 hours later.
Yo, what's up? I know Donner and Dasher, and I know Dasher and Dancer and Donner and Yo, what's up? I know Dasher and Dancer and Donner and Blixen, Comet and Cupid and all the other reindeer. But do you recall the most famous one of them all? I'm just curious, do you? Hey, what's up guys? Got a little special box here yesterday. If y'all are following me on Twitter, you'll see that I posted a picture and I called it like, I said I was going to open this suspicious package. My picture was, it was wrapped in freaking duct tape. Somebody duct taped this thing. First I was like, well, if it was gonna rain maybe, kind of waterproof it first. Katie was like, well maybe it's a bomb. And I'm like, oh crap. First I was making sure it wasn't a gift that she got me. She was like, no. And so It's like, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna open that here now. I've already cut it out of the package. It is from Brian. There was a note on it that said happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron.
Thank you, Brian. I appreciate it. I'm about to break it open and see what it's about. I've never seen this. This is really cool. I checked them out on Twitter, and it looks like a really cool concept. First, before we do that, I got to get this branch out of the way. This is a man crate. It comes in a little box like this and a little crowbar. I think I'm gonna need something a little bit more powerful than this. Maybe something like this. Yeah, I might need a little bit bigger crowbar here. What else to do? Oh, that was easy. Oh, cool. This is so cool. It's a Moscow Mule bar set. It's got the little shaker and the glass. Oh, it's got two glasses.
Hey, don't break the driveway.
Thanks for helping me open this. A little measuring thing. Oh, some ginger. Some extra ginger.
Cock bowl.
Cock and bull, and some ice cube trays. Thanks,
Cool.
Brian. This is a cool little concept. I like this. Well, thanks for helping me.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 19, 11, 20.
Oh, wow, you skipped a few. What about 14 and 15?
Yeah.
And 16, then what? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Yay! Good job. You're getting so good with your counting. Did you have a good nap? Oh! Who's that at the door?
Okay, we got
Who is that? Where is it?
I don't see anybody.
that.
Where?
Right there.
What's she got?
Whoa. How'd she get out there?
Uh-oh, it's locked. Hold on.
What'd she do? Oh, she's got little Christmas trees with her.
Oh.
Christmas tree cookie.
Whoa, she brought you and Brooks a Christmas tree
Oh.
cookie.
How about that?
Sweet.
So sweet. That was so sweet. I wonder if it's because she saw the Christmas tree on your shirt.
Look, Beth, there, see my Christmas tree on my shirt.
Yeah.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Look.
That is Beth. How about that? All right. Cool.
The doorbell ring.
I don't know. How did she get up there? That was crazy.
Whoa.
Emma's feeling a little bit better.
Yeah, clearly. Emma's like 100% today. She hasn't acted like anything hurts her at all. She's about ready to take another one of her little anti-inflammatories. Let's see. What about this one? Does this one go? No, I wonder. No? Okay, there's got to be more presents somewhere. We got this jigsaw puzzle back, what, last year, I think?
Dada.
What?
Dada.
I'm mommy.
It's it.
Well, it doesn't quite make the flower exactly right. Let's see. Let's lay it down. Would it go that way? No, that doesn't quite fit. Would it go this way? Looks like it might. Let's see.
And no.
It matches just right.
Hey.
Yay, good job.
Oh, hey guys, look, we got a new doggy. Just kidding. This was actually a Christmas present that Katie had gotten for the doggies before the whole Emma thing happened. And so now we're like, let's just go ahead and get it out now.
Daddy, Brooks is crying.
Oh, well go tell him to stop crying or see what the problem is. Is he bleeding?
No.
Okay, we're good then. Okay, Emma, you've been doing a lot better today. Look, we got you some steps now. Look at these. These are nice because they're like plastic based instead of like foam based. I've seen some that are just made out of like thick foam, and these are like hard. Like.
And those are usually expensive. They're $15.
That's nice.
Emma, do you want to walk on, please?
Look, come here, Emma. Let's see if you can use them. Look.
Watch out, move your feet so you get up. Here you go, walk up. Come on, good girl.
No, I'm
And
gonna
they
do
kind of
it.
slid on the hardwood, so we need to keep them maybe on the rug over there. Okay, let Emma go. Emma. We just got him out of the car, and he hasn't looked behind him to see what it is where we are. Where are we?